Best greetings, my dear friends. Today we continue Dictionary of Beekeeping Terminology. And today we will be talking about special definition, about abnormal bees. Well, what does mean abnormal? Okay, let's look to the Dictionary of Entomology. Abnormal means irregular, having the special character. This is deviation from typical condition. Atypical, a term applied to structure or biological process or behavior on an individual organism or population or species, and it's used to describe a condition notably different from the condition observed in other related organisms. So it means not normal. It means also like aberrant. What means aberrant? Aberrant. Two special definitions. Aberrant, pertaining anatomical feature or behavioral characteristics of organisms that deviates from typical condition or expectations. Second, in taxonomy, this is description of specimen that is not typical or does not conform with the concept of the type. Let's see what is about definition abnormal bees. Why they're so abnormal? We use this dictionary, ABC to XYZ of bee culture. Abnormal bees, abnormal or different bees can be found in a hive. Most abnormal bees are different for one or two reasons. The differences may be genetic, as in bees with white or pink eyes, different body or hair color, or other mutations. Bees with light-colored eyes are noticed most often since they are strikingly different. More than 30 mutations have been found in European honeybees in North America. An oddity that turns up every so often is cycloptic bee whose head width is less than normal, and those two compound eyes join at the top of a make one. Cyclopism is usually believed to be genetic in origin. Also important to notice the terminology of hynandromorphic bees, but a little bit later. The second reason, amongst genetic, second reason for the existence of abnormal bees is environmental. Chilling or overheating of the brood, malnutrition, drugs, pesticides, mites, or diseases can bring about changes during larval or pupal life that are seen when the bees mature and become adults. One of the common problems in colonies where varroa mites are present is that bees may have deformed wings and legs. This often occurs when mites feed on honeybee pupae and transmit deforming or even other lethal viruses. Abnormal bees occur, or at least are seen rarely. Bees usually remove abnormal individuals out of the hive. Honeybees carry them outside of the hive where they die. The second definition is about hynandromorphic bees. Who they are? Hynandromorphic bees. These are bees that are said to be hynandromorphic are those that have both male and female body parts. Quite unusual. The distribution of male and female parts can take several forms. For example, a bee may have a female head and a male thorax or abdomen. The hynandromorph may also be bilateral. This is one side of a bee may have male and the other side female characters. Sometimes patches of males and female parts may appear on the same body parts. There are several causes of the hynandromorphism. It may occur when eggs are chilled or overheated. It may also occur when queens are not mated and are producing eggs. The tendency can be inherited. Under normal circumstances, bees that are malformed are probably removed from the hive by normal workers. Bees with these characteristics are seen alive only rarely. In some other older literature, these bees are sometimes called hermaphrodites. But this term is not correct. As such, animals produce both eggs and sperm that hynandromorphs do not. Hermaphrodites are found among the lower animals, especially concerning worms. What about hynandromorphic bees in other dictionary, in this big one? Here definition about hynandromorphism is more precise and very careful. Hynandromorphism. This is condition in which male and female features are displayed in one individual. Hynandromorphs are frequently called intersexes and occur in many groups of insects. Some groups of insects may lack profound sexual dimorphism, or sexual dimorphism may be limited to internal features or therefore go undetected. Several factors contribute to the expression of hynandromorphism. Genetical causes include: first, partial fertilization, in which sperm is delayed from penetrating ooplasm under cleavage commences. Fertilized daughter nuclei become females, and unfertilized daughter nuclei become male. The second reason, dyspermy or polyspermy, occurs when some eggs have two nuclei. Male spermatozoa unite with female nucleus to produce females. Reason number 3. Chromosomal elimination involves a normal female zygote that divides, and a daughter nuclei loses the X chromosome. Subsequent daughter nuclei of the X-less strain become male. The normal chromosomal complement strain becomes female. Parasitism can also be the result of hynandromorph in Homoptera. Male Chironomid midges become female due to the myrmetid parasites. In Hymenoptera order, some Hymenoptera infested with Stylopidae family can undergo alteration of the reproductive organs. In other environmental conditions, such as high temperature, also can produce hynandromorphs. For example, in parasitic Hymenoptera, including the genus Trichogramma and genus O. encyrtus in Encertidae family, and correspondingly Trichogrammatidea family. So that's about hynandromorphism. So hynandromorphic features, these are features that thirst pertaining of hynandromorph, an individual that displays hynandromorphism, and secondly, pertaining of condition of hynandromorphism. So these are definitions of abnormal bees, abnormalities, hynandromorphic, Hynandromorphism? And what's that? These are definitions. Thank you for watching. And our Dictionary of Beekeeping and Dictionary of Entomology to be continued. Stay tuned and stay subscribed. Press like, write your comments, and subscribe to our channel. And welcome to our Patreon page. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. To be continued as soon as possible. Good luck. See you and see you soon.